Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to be talking to you about taking care of your skin or developing skin routines in your 30s. This is because it is ideal for you to have adequate information that will really help your skin beyond just topical application of creams and products. There's a lot more. Now is the time that you begin to reap the benefits of taking care of your skin when you were in your 20s. All that begins to show now that you're in your 30s, and it's time to even step up the game just a little bit. But if you had had a routine in your 20s, by now you are set in how to take care of your skin adequately. So in this video, I will be looking at some of the things that you can add that are beautiful for your skin. But right now your skin is in a good place, where it is properly balanced. It is used to the routines that you have been doing. So kudos if you were taking care of your skin in your 20s. Welcome to the class of 30. Your skin is the only one you ever have. Taking adequate care of it is very, very important. Taking care of your skin makes your skin shine and glow, makes you look radiant and beautiful. Even if all you did was just have your bath and put a little bit of cream on, your body is going to be showing that you had been taking care of it and nurturing it properly all these years. So I'm going to start by telling you, if you never had a routine and you're in your 30s now and you're looking for how to start a routine, or you want to top up your skincare routine, this is the video for you. And the first thing I'll say to you is never go to bed with your makeup on. That is so key to having a beautiful skin. It is super key, because your skin attracts dirt and all that in the daytime on top of the makeup that you put on, and then you go to sleep with it in that state. It will cause your skin to wrinkle. It will cause your skin to begin to sag. It will leave a lot of impurities on your skin. Your skin will not have the opportunity to turn up new skins early and fast. It is going to result in blocked pores and acne, sometimes pimples, and a lot more. So never go to bed with your makeup on. You will require to develop a routine of washing your skin, washing your face in the morning and in the evenings. Bathing generally in the mornings and in the evenings. Very beautiful for your skin. And then you will require a gentle cleanser for your face. It depends again on the kind of skin that you have. I have quite some videos already. I'll put them in the description box so that you can see them, so you will know how to adequately take care of the skin type that you have. So the kind of cleanser you're going to be using depends on the kind of skin that you have. With that said, if you have a normal skin, then it is only ideal that you use a gentle daily cleanser for your face. Very, very ideal. Using the cleanser for your face is so good, and it is the foundation for every other thing that you are going to be applying on your skin. The next thing that comes in after you've cleansed your skin is to tone your face, tone your skin. Apply a toner. A toner contains antioxidants and some cleansing properties that will help to hydrate your skin and help to renew the surface of your skin and draw out impurities also from your skin. Let us not overlook that. So you cleanse your skin thoroughly with a toner. It will also help to close up enlarged pores so that your skin looks glossy and shiny when you now put a product on top of it, and it's able to absorb the benefit of those products maximally. The next thing after that, I would suggest that in the night you work in a routine where you can use a facial mask to just have a luxurious time. Pamper yourself a little. You can use clay mask. I like clay mask. I use them for my face. Sometimes I use charcoal sheets. I use the golden face mask. Maybe from now on I will let you see some of those things. I put that on my face. You know, facial mask, they go a great deal to moisturize your skin when your skin needs moisture. Some draw out impurities, talking about clay mask. All these have their places in your routine. So you've got to look for how to put this, work this special facial treatment, taking about just 15-20 minutes of the day into your evening routines, so that your skin can benefit maximally from these products. If you have acne, you've got to treat your acne. Regular products don't work for acne. So check out how you can get products that will benefit your acne prone skin, that will help you reduce the acne that you're suffering from and give you the kind of skin that you desire. Sometimes you may even have to see a dermatologist to recommend something for you. It is ideal for you to do so. Then the next thing I want to say to you is exfoliate. You've got to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate your skin thoroughly to remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin and help your skin generally turn over itself and regenerate itself, giving you a new cell turnover that will give you a beautiful skin and young looking fresh skin. So it is ideal for you to look for how, when it is convenient for you to exfoliate your skin properly and regularly. Exfoliation can be done twice a week, once a week, depending on the kind of skin that you have. It is important that you invest in face cream. Body lotions may not suffice for face cream, except it is written on the cream that you can also use it as your face cream. Otherwise, get yourself a good face cream. Face creams are ideal because they are specially composed for the face. They are lighter than what you put on your body and treat the face, especially because they contain a lot of antioxidants and they contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. You would be surprised. And a lot of special oils that will help to treat your face. So it is important that you get your face cream. In looking for your face cream, you may want to consider vitamin E. You will want to consider vitamin C. These two vitamins are good. Vitamin E contains a lot of antioxidants that will benefit your skin and help you have a glassy smooth skin, help to regenerate your cells. Vitamin C will help with your skin turning over new cells quickly. It will help to brighten your complexion. Vitamin C does brighten the complexion, so it's a good one for you to consider investing in. This is the time also to invest in a good eye cream. There are good eye creams that will really help your eyes be brighter if you are the kind of person that suffers from, if you are the kind of person who suffers from dark eye circles. It will really benefit you. It's important also to have a day cream and have a night cream. Some creams are good enough for day and night cream, while some creams are meant for night and some for day. Whichever you prefer, I would suggest that you get a day cream and you get a night cream. Otherwise, you can get one cream that's one size for all. That means that you could use it in the daytime and you could also use it at night. But it's ideal to get a night cream because some night creams contain a lot more benefits for you to apply, so that when you go to sleep, it works better while your skin is resting. It's important to drink a lot of water. I cannot emphasize this a lot, and I seem to say it in all my videos. You've got to drink water. Water hydrates you from the inside out. Water beautifies you. It helps your skin to glow. It helps your skin to be moisturized and hydrated. I cannot emphasize it enough. Drink a lot of water. This is about the time also that you begin to eat a bit more healthy. Eat food that have a lot of fibers in them that would really help your skin, you know, from inside out. Because when you eat a lot of food that has fiber, they go to help your metabolic system and your digestive system. And whatever you put into you is what will report on your skin. So eating healthy is super key. After you have used the day cream, it's important for you to follow maybe with retinol. Retinol is very good. Retinol is actually more beneficial at night because it helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines and brighten your face and helps your skin be firm. It brightens and unifies your complexion. So it is ideal at this time to use products that have retinol in them. Remember also to always put on a sunscreen when you are done applying your cream in the daytime. Get a sunscreen to apply on your face after you have creamed your body, after you have creamed your face. It goes a long way to help your cream work better and protect your face from the damaging UV rays. I hope that this video has been of immense benefit to you, that you really learned a lot. Let me hear what you've got to say in the comment section. I'll see you again in another video, and until then, stay safe. God bless you.